Passive income refers to earnings generated with little to no active involvement once the initial setup is complete. Unlike traditional employment, where income is directly tied to hours worked, passive income streams continue to produce revenue even when you're not actively engaged. This approach is highly valued by the wealthy because it allows for financial growth and stability without constant labor. By leveraging assets such as investments, rental properties, or royalties, individuals can accumulate wealth over time. The ability to earn passively provides more freedom and opens up opportunities for further financial ventures. Wealthy individuals often approach financial opportunities with a distinct mindset, focusing on building assets that generate income without constant effort. They prioritize financial literacy, equipping themselves with the knowledge to recognize promising investments and avoid common pitfalls. By carefully planning for the long term, they seek out passive income streams such as real estate, stocks, or business ventures that can grow over time. This strategic approach allows them to create financial stability and independence, ensuring their wealth continues to work for them even when they're not actively involved. Real estate has long been recognized as a classic source of passive income. By owning rental properties, investors can benefit from a steady stream of monthly rent payments, often with minimal day-to-day involvement. Alternatively, real estate funds allow individuals to invest in property markets without direct ownership, providing diversification and professional management. Both methods offer the potential for ongoing cash flow, as well as the opportunity for property values to appreciate over time. This combination of regular income and long-term growth makes real estate a popular choice for those seeking financial stability. Investing in dividend stocks offers a practical way to generate consistent income. These stocks pay out regular dividends, which are typically distributed quarterly, providing shareholders with a reliable cash flow. Unlike other investment strategies that may require frequent monitoring or active management, dividend investing can be relatively hands-off. Over time, reinvesting these dividends can also help grow your portfolio, compounding your returns. This approach appeals to those seeking both income and long-term growth with minimal ongoing effort. Business ownership offers entrepreneurs the opportunity to create systems that operate independently of their daily involvement. By automating processes and delegating responsibilities to skilled teams, owners can ensure their businesses run smoothly and efficiently. This approach not only streamlines operations, but also allows for consistent income generation, even when the owner is not present. Through careful planning and the integration of technology, entrepreneurs can focus on growth and innovation, while their established systems handle routine tasks. Many wealthy individuals have turned to digital products and online platforms as a source of passive income. By creating ebooks, online courses, or software applications, they can reach a global audience with minimal ongoing effort. Once these products are developed and launched, sales can continue around the clock without direct involvement. Online marketplaces and automated delivery systems handle transactions and distribution, allowing creators to focus on new ventures or simply enjoy the income stream. This approach enables them to scale their earnings efficiently while maintaining flexibility and freedom. Royalties and intellectual property play a crucial role in rewarding innovation and creativity. Patents protect inventions, while copyrights safeguard original works like music, literature, and software. These legal rights allow creators and investors to earn ongoing income whenever their work is used, licensed, or sold. By leveraging intellectual property, individuals and companies can build long-term revenue streams and maintain control over how their creations are distributed. This system encourages further innovation by ensuring that creators benefit financially from their ideas. Peer-to-peer lending has emerged as a popular way for individuals to earn passive income by lending money directly to borrowers through online platforms. These platforms connect investors with people or businesses seeking loans, often offering competitive interest rates and streamlined processes. In addition to lending, Alternative investments, such as real estate crowdfunding, art, or commodities, provide opportunities to diversify portfolios beyond traditional stocks and bonds. By allocating funds to these non-traditional assets, investors can potentially achieve steady returns while spreading risk. However, it's important to carefully assess each platform and investment type, as risks and returns can vary significantly. Wealthy individuals often utilize specialized legal structures to optimize their passive income and minimize tax liabilities. Trusts can be established to manage assets and provide tax benefits, while corporations offer flexibility in income distribution and deductions. Strategic tax planning is essential, allowing for the use of credits, deferrals, and exemptions to preserve more wealth. By combining these approaches, the affluent are able to grow their financial portfolios efficiently and ensure long-term stability. These methods are carefully tailored to individual circumstances, maximizing both protection and profitability. Passive income is often portrayed as effortless money, but this perception can be misleading. Many people believe that passive income requires little to no work, when in reality, most strategies demand significant upfront effort, investment, or ongoing management. Common myths include the idea that rental properties or online businesses will generate income automatically, yet these ventures carry risks such as market fluctuations, maintenance costs, or changing regulations. Additionally, not all passive income streams are equally reliable. Some may be vulnerable to economic downturns or technological changes. Understanding these pitfalls is crucial for making informed decisions and setting realistic expectations about what passive income can truly offer. To begin building your own passive income streams, start by identifying opportunities that match your skills and interests, such as investing in stocks, creating digital products, or renting out property. Research each option thoroughly to understand the initial effort and potential returns. Begin with small, manageable projects to gain experience and confidence. As you start earning, reinvest your profits to scale up and diversify your income sources. Consistency and patience are key, as passive income often grows gradually over time. In summary, achieving financial independence through passive income is a journey that starts with understanding your options and making informed decisions. By exploring various strategies, such as investing, creating online businesses, or leveraging real estate, you can build streams of income that work for you. Remember, consistency and patience are key as you progress towards your financial goals. Taking control of your financial future empowers you to create the life you desire. Start today, and let each step bring you closer to lasting independence and peace of mind.